Swifty Bagger is engineered to automatically open, fill, and seal pre-made laminated pouches. The Swifty Bagger can operate on a variety of bag styles, including pillow, stand-up, gusseted, and quad pouches. You can also operate with a zipper enclosure and a carry handle. The Swifty Bagger is available in two models, the Swifty 3600 for bags up to 8 inches wide and 11 inches long, and the Swifty 1200 for bags up to 12 inches wide by 18 inches long. The Swifty Bagger easily integrates with any auxiliary filling machine, including our Primo Combi multi-head wear, Primo linear net wares, and Star Auger for powders. Robust and dependable, the Swifty Bagger.